So, you're in crypto. You've heard it before. Not your keys, not your coins. Security isn't optional, it's everything. Leaving your crypto on an exchange? That's like leaving cash on a park bench. Hardware wallets are your personal vault, putting you in full control. Today, we're comparing three giants: Ledger, Trezor, and Tangem. Each has a unique approach to keeping your assets safe. By the end, you'll know which wallet fits your crypto journey best. Let's get started. First up, Ledger, the most recognizable name in hardware wallets. Its stainless steel USB design feels premium and secure. The heart of Ledger is its secure element chip, the same tech used in passports and credit cards. Your private keys never touch your computer or phone. Total isolation. Setup is simple. Plug in, set a PIN, and write down your 24-word recovery phrase. Guard it with your life. Ledger Live, their companion app, lets you manage your portfolio, send and receive crypto, and access dApps. All while your keys stay on the device. Every transaction must be physically confirmed on the ledger, adding a crucial security step. Pros: top-notch build, massive coin support, and Bluetooth on the Nano X for mobile convenience. But the user experience can feel clunky: tiny screen, 2-button navigation, and lots of scrolling. Another issue: Ledger's firmware is closed source. You're trusting the company, not just the code. The Ledger Recover controversy, an optional seed backup service, shook community trust, even though it's opt-in. So, who's Ledger for? If you want a premium feel, broad coin support, and a polished app, it's a great choice. If you're comfortable with closed source, the secure element chip and physical confirmation process mean even if your computer is hacked, your funds are safe. It's a deliberate, methodical process, exactly what you want for serious money. Ledger set the industry standard: robust security, user-friendly software, and a huge ecosystem. It's not perfect, but its reputation is well-earned. If you want the iPhone of hardware wallets, Ledger is your pick. But remember, you're trusting the company's security and policies. For many, that's a fair trade for convenience and peace of mind. Ultimately, Ledger is a fortress. Just be sure you're comfortable with its trust model. If you want open-source transparency, you might want to look elsewhere. But for most users, Ledger's blend of security and usability is hard to beat. It's a benchmark for a reason. Just don't lose that recovery phrase. And always confirm transactions on the device itself. Ledger's legacy is built on reliability, but stay informed about company decisions. Your keys, your responsibility. Next, let's see how Trezor stacks up. Now Trezor, the open-source pioneer. Trezor from Satoshi Labs was the first hardware wallet, and it's all about transparency. The design is plastic, lighter than Ledger, but don't let that fool you. Trezor's real strength is its open-source philosophy. Firmware, software, even hardware schematics are public. Anyone can inspect the code. Security through transparency, not secrecy. The Model T features a large color touchscreen, making PIN entry and transaction confirmation easy and secure. Your recovery phrase is entered directly on the device, never touching your computer. Trezor Suite, their app, is clean and functional, but less integrated than Ledger Live. For some coins and dApps, you'll need third-party wallets, like MetaMask. More complex for beginners. Pros: the touchscreen is intuitive, and open-source code means you can verify everything. Trezor also offers Shamir backup, letting you split your seed phrase for extra security. Cons: the plastic build feels less durable, and the software isn't as polished as Ledger's. No secure element chip. Trezor uses a general-purpose microcontroller for full transparency. This makes it theoretically vulnerable to physical attacks, but these require lab equipment and physical access. Satoshi Labs is upfront about these risks and recommends using a strong passphrase for extra protection. Trezor is for the purist, the developer, the tinkerer, the one who wants to verify every line of code. It's about trusting the global community, not a single company. If you value open source, Trezor is unmatched. The touchscreen makes daily use a breeze, but you trade some polish and integration for transparency and control. Trezor aligns with crypto's decentralized ethos. It's a top-tier choice for those who want to own and understand their keys. If you want to see how your wallet works under the hood, Trezor is for you. It's less about looks, more about principles. For many, that's the ultimate security. Just remember, Physical security is still your responsibility. Trezor's legacy is transparency and innovation. If that's your priority, it's hard to beat. Now let's look at something completely different. Tangem. Enter Tangem, the hardware wallet that looks like a credit card. No screen, no buttons, no cables, just a smart card you tap on your phone. Setup is simple. Tap the card, use the app, and you're done in minutes. Here's the twist. No seed phrase to write down. Instead, backup is another identical card. Lose your main card? Just use a backup. No paper, no stress. The chip is EAL6+ certified, even higher than Ledger's, and the card is waterproof and nearly indestructible. Tangem's model solves the biggest pain point: seed phrase management. Pros: extreme simplicity, durability, and mobile-first design. Anyone familiar with contactless payments can use it, no learning curve. The app is modern and supports a wide range of coins, but there are trade-offs. No seed phrase means you're locked into Tangem's ecosystem. You can't import or export your keys to other wallets. It's a mobile-only experience, no desktop support. The app's firmware isn't fully open source, so you're trusting Tangem as a company. For beginners or anyone who fears losing a seed phrase, Tangem is a game changer. It's perfect for gifting crypto or daily use. Just keep your backup cards safe. Tangem bridges, cold storage, security with hot wallet convenience. But if you want open source or desktop access, look elsewhere. The trust model is different. You trust the chip, the cryptography, and the company's ongoing support. For many, that's a fair trade for simplicity and peace of mind. Tangem is a bold vision for the future. No seed phrases, no hassle. Not for hardcore cypherpunks, but ideal for the modern mobile user. It's a practical, user-friendly way to own your crypto. Just remember, you're trusting the hardware and the company. For most, that's a reasonable bet. Tangem is redefining self-custody for the masses. If you want the easiest path to secure crypto, this is it. But always keep your backup cards safe. Simplicity is its superpower and its trade-off. For many, it's the future of crypto storage. Now, let's wrap it up. Your keys, your choice. So, which wallet wins? There's no single answer. Ledger, premium, secure, all in one if you trust the company. Trezor, open source, transparent, and for the purist. Tangem, seedless, simple, and mobile first. Your choice reflects your trust and priorities. The most important step? Move your assets off exchanges and into your own custody. Which wallet fits you best? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Secure your crypto and see you next time.